Hi everyone, it's Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make banana peanut butter quesadillas. So let's get started. All you will need is a banana, dark chocolate chips and some peanut butter, as well as a wrap. So the first thing you need to do is get your wrap and cut through it until you reach the center. Then cut half of your banana into thin slices. Once you've cut your banana into slices, you should end up with around 5 to 6 banana slices. Then get around 1 teaspoon of peanut butter and put it onto a quarter of the wrap. Then do the same with the banana slices and put them onto the other corner of the wrap. Once you've added your peanut butter and your banana slices, sprinkle some chocolate chips. Then fold the wrap in the way I am showing you. Then put the wrap in a grill toaster for a few minutes. Once you've taken the wrap out of the grill, you can add some peanut butter, banana and chocolate chips for decoration. So I usually have these quesadillas for breakfast, and with that I like to have a cup of tea. So all I do is I add my tea bag with water and I like to add some almond milk. So that's how you make these absolutely delicious quesadillas. If you do want to see more healthy recipes, please make sure to subscribe, share, and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye everyone!